Introducing the sound of DJ MOT. Loony D and the MC Tutty washing their fucking style inside.
Alright, party crew, are you ready? Loony D MC Tutty style. DJ MOT. We're introducing NRG.
Come on in.
You ready for the sound? MC Tutty, Loony D, gonna make your mind go round.
Sing for your mind.
Who
your
fucking wants it, man?
your soul.
Johnny MC Tutty's taking this one to be a man. Let's go.
Which one at fun? Pleasures of the high.
Let's go, crew.
Feelings of warmth and security. A condition.
Let's
Seduction.
go, come on.
Evolve to evolve, connect your fucking cider. Johnny fucking that's what set my cocky fucking finder. In Jordan Tutty is a cocky fucking sniffer. I like my Saturday type and like my fucking speed. Fuckers once I let this speed for set my process kicking in. Your ass are rolling, now my head is fucking spinning. We're spinning, yes we're spinning round and round. In the Loony D, in the empty Tutty, don't make the techno sound.
Nothing racing to your mind, you can't do formation. A list of tiny bag of powders, culture in the nation. You're spending your hard cash just to get a hit. These people always tell themselves, one more than a quit. But that was kids on Monday, now Friday's round the corner. You feel those cravings creeping up, looking for a sorter. You're rattling for the cocaine bus, got no cash in. Fuck it, pay next week, get this session on check.
Bass on, beast drum, attack the 90s generation. With the bass on, beast drum, the best in the nation.
Yeah.
Bass on, beast drum, attack the 90s generation. The Loony D came on the best in the nation.
Jump now, get now, feel the vibe. Jump now, get now, feel the vibe. Jump now, get now, feel the vibe.
That to come alive.
Feel the beat, feel that bass, feel the beat, and I feel that bass. Loony D, Tutty's on your case.
Ready for the bass down, ready for the sound. Ready for the bass down, ready for the sound. Yo, ready for the bass down, ready for the sound. Jump around, ready for the bass down, ready for the flow. Ready for the bass down, ready for the flow. Loony D in the empty Tutty, losing full control.
Tutty, Loony D, Tutty, Loony D, Tutty, Loony D.
Now one, two, fucking play.
MOT, Loony D, MOT, Loony D. Inside that we're having a party.
Here we go for the bass down, cue to the mighty fucking fresh. Shut the sound with the bad boy, empty Tutty, yes I got me like. Coming up there with the mapping punching, yes I'm coming in. On top of the dance, we're on a fucking mission.
Yes, and Loony D with the MC Tutty on a fucking mission, man. Hot type Mike the sound tech. We are Jamming Studios. Respect.
Hot tight, the breakdown sound.
Hot tight Odyssey. Ditchy. Respect from the MC Loony D each and every fucking time, man.
Ultimate seduction.
Hot tight Turney. All the way in Northern Ireland. Yes, man. Respect. We're warming up the sound. Elder below, but the ammo deep on the mic. I'm touching fucking down. Yes, and
MC Loony D, are you fucking ready?
Condition.
With your 1, 2, 3.
I couldn't riot from that moment we were off to flyer. I reach a peak if ever is, I couldn't get any higher. I said to like in American school, I wanna shoot kids inside ya. Spinning my hair like a waltzer, making me wanna ride. I do for, try to take that back. If you took, I shouldn't be trying. Keep my image in the public in time. Sorry, Riddle, I don't roll like that. So let's get back to the story. She wanted to beat my morning glory, but I got top shit, jump like niggas. I can see your head for yawning.
Spanish, but my DNA keeps you wet. Yeah, and mix it, matter one, they just spread and not gonna that fish. Better like this, come and say, hit me like a hurricane. Spin that, we can take that chance. Just back up in a chair. In it, that's a one.
for a fucking thrill.
Loony D MC Tutty stay inside the area.
What's out the MC Dynamo? Majestic Surge. You know.
I'll take the DJ Hyper D, DJ Execute. I'll take the Jolly B for the MC Tutty Master Spec. Ready.
They say I drink too much, I say they talk too much. They need to realise I just don't give a fuck. I party through the night and I party through the day. I'm moving every minute, they'll never change my ways. You won't catch me full of big crowds or lighting up the trends, cause it's my way or the highway. I don't care what Simon says, I'm the motherfucking weatherman. If you know, you know. 30 degrees in the middle of summer, I'll still be making it snow.
Nah, here I am presenting me, yes I was buzzing up my cheek, we're shitting, shooting up my lips, cause now we're feeling up my tits and what a fucking high I'm like. Who's gonna fucking rock the mic? I'm gonna make it think ahead with all our mums out of the set. Like a truck, I'm trying to pick this man, it's couldn't let me. But about now I mean it's out, Loony D we're touching down now. Come on, take a stand, play a fire, you get burned. The ammo take the lesson to be learned.
Love it if you like it, I don't care if you don't. Ain't nobody gonna bring me down when I'm in the zone.
In the zone.
You stare at me preparing to go. The anticipation building started to overflow. I lock and load, stop saying wise, building up slow. Trying to keep you interested as my chapter unfolds. Just so you know, I'll never stop till I break the mold. Got my finger on the trigger, let these rhyming bombs explode.
Yeah, that's a fucking grappling number, we're in demand. Yes, any joke you fucking want, it take me to a different land. Take it people from your mind, even for a minute. Then when they drop, they start, they working, get your drinks in naked. I'll be there, I don't care, we love the sections anywhere. Best of the best on that is it, and the envy Tutty Tutty. Come on, the Loony D sound like this. Come on, we're checking out the beat like this.
Keep checking out the beat like this. You ramble T. Inside now we're having a party, so I don't like cocaine, but I love the smell of it. I make my mates and write them up, and now when in my element, I fit it back, feel it, dropping halos, rocks like Tokyo pops. We never want this bus to stop, cause I love, you love, and we love the sesh. But for the Northeast, it's what we do fucking best.
I'm
Loony
taking
D.
the foot of Northeast Sessioners. We're rocking till we're pensioners.
Come on, cause I love, you love, we love the sesh. We're from the Northeast, it's what we do best. Come
Watch it
on.
tripping up my north, we tripping up my tree. And then we fucking found out the deep blue sea. Watch you washing white in our tattoo, walking my through.
Yeah.
Me and other boys, I type respect to the washing crew. My tattoo, washing crew, now washing massive. I take that trying to get active, moving the beast on everywhere. Loony D with the atmosphere, we're feeling tricky, we're feeling fine. Losing my voice, I'm tied to the mic, where's my fucking right?
And this is in respect of the fact that we all know his name is David Pace. It's smiling always road. These people always say to me, God only takes the best. But that really got me thinking as my boy was like the rest. Cause what could be the reason? His life was cut too short. But sometimes there's no answers, just the lessons that we're taught. Gonna keep it in your memories, make time for all of ones. It's true what they say, you know what you've got until it's gone.
You know it. Alright, pick the MC Pacey D for the MC Tutty MC Loony D. PAC to the EYD. I'll tell the master spec for the washy pussy.
I'll tell the DJ. Are you ready? Come on.
Check it.
Reload, put the MC's tight, rolling it up, that's all I'm on.
Now MC yes, come now, something that's a speaker rocking in with a lively posse. Move that body D to the E to the MC. Come now, something that's a speaker rocking in with a lively posse. MC Loony D.
Jump, come on in. You ready with the beats? With the beat like this. What's out the MC Double D? Vocal MC and the MC Evil Man. Yes, sir.
Hard time to break down sound. We got the mixer touching down. DJ MOT bringing you the sound round the time in the area.
Hold tight, Rob Lamb. Hold tight, Nicky fucking King, man. Yo, respect.
Hard tight, the Nicky King.
Come on in, get dancing. Give us shit. All the ravers jump in. High energy. Keep coming, party with me. We'll take the Martin Armstrong, Jack Ellison, respect. Shorty, Marty PMC Rebel. Yes, sir. I'll be lurking in the shadows, can't touch but you can see. I'll be there to take your pain away, helping in your times of need. Just waiting for my chance to plant my addiction seed. Infecting lives of terrible ways, you think who I might be. You think I am the answer, you think I am your friend. But just think if you gamble a deal, it beats you in the end. I stand pointless passing daylight, hoping if I should see my job, this right I'm not gonna think who I might be. And I'm the key ingredient for the all about weekend sesh. You think it's all the fun and games, and I'll leave your lives a mess. So let's all play together, take a risk like Rush Roulette.
Listen.
Do you think you want me be? I shoot you above the guess, and I don't wanna be a poor, and I don't wanna be a rich.
Yes, sir.
I'll cut you all the war, mate, taking over to 6 foot deep.
Come on
I'm
in.
sure you already know me, well let me introduce. I'm the darkness evil, not the man they call me drug abuse.
The plastic, they get the good shit on the stick. Couldn't sing it, jump to life and crack martini right. That's a fucking leave, but damn you had the chance to choose something. What decision that they make, that little voice is telling me. Drop the books and I've been see we're absolutely blinded. Adrenaline fucking violence. Chemicals that we are making, right decisions in the making. It's a fix, shit on fix. But my head to fucking big story's got a hold of me. Story goes like this.
The story goes like this, doing the business, your big bouncing, big bouncing.
Alright babies, get that in.
Big bouncing, your big's bouncing. Tutty, here to get you dancing.
Gonna roll that dance, that free back game, cause the empty Tutty, that's my name. It's a check, gonna check him after the dance, so master screaming jack. Keep my jack, now stop that powder. To the volume louder. Hold tight the cocaine master.
Kick, cocaine master. Pop up the pressure, took with it fast. I've been told them all, but I'm a deep in the backwards arm on the mic. To you, to DY, doing it right, oh yeah.
We're doing it right. See money, take your dynamite.
Your T, you, dollar TY.
Natty, you.
Ah, yeah. What's at the MC Forbesy? Tricky. Your Nitro.
All time to the DJ Tutter, the DJ of the day, from the son of Massive. Massive spec from the MC Tutty. Really fucking ready.
What's at your DJ Chronic? What's at my lady Alex T, Dylan, Megan, DJ Nishi. I took out of bed like a duck in the box when the working week is over. I work my fingers to the bone, no way I'm staying sober. Shower, shave, out the door, feeling funky fresh.
Come on
I know
in.
that shit about to change to the boys ahead of west, oh yes. All about this session, now we're flying. Every hour that passes by, the crew is multiplying. Assembling formation, don't need no transportation. We're so high, we just fly to every destination.
We're sitting with my stereo, my tunes and fucking
What's
popping.
it?
You knock it up in 24, just to get you washing, cause what you're fucking rocking. You know your session started, now Massive's back in the BCD, gonna try your fucking hardest. We try the hardest, that's it, just to get back.
You
We
ready?
were taking fucking cowies, we're sniffing fucking fed. It wants to see that vet and you should come with wild. R.I.P. to the BCD, cause that was that fucking style.
I didn't choose a rave life, the rave that chose me. I'm born to rave, born to dance, born to have a party. I didn't choose a rave life, rave that chose me. We're born to rave, born to dance, born to have a party. Yeah, running up the atmosphere, hell of a lot of Yamadi. DQTTY, diggity high.
I used a little red one, you're sitting on my shoulder. Now it's the devil, I said I was fucking told her. Asking me a question, got to grab me what my wish. Well, that's a fact, you see that gets you what it is. Now this is the right, up the washy warrior. Sound with the bubble unity, we're doing the fucking warrior. Come on, he's sitting on my shoulder. Now it's the devil, I said that's what he told ya. Come on in.
You're rebar, T-R-A-T-R-A, tactic, double E, take it away, come on.
Come on.
We pop out the bass drum.
Popping up. Loony D, pressure drop.
You're bouncing, you're jumping, you're rocking, you're shaking. I'm here entertaining, I don't smoke weed. From medicinal pipe machines, I smoke that weed to get high. So fuck anyone who touches me, I smoke a plant that grows from seeds. Shut your mouth and pass me a light. Because I'm stuck with the phone, could you leave me alone? I've got no type of pointless lectures in life. I'll take your opinion, I'll roll it. Your lecture, I'll roach it. I'll blaze it up and pass to the right. Yes, man.
Hold tight, the smokers.
Washington Tokers. Let's go!
Our agility came on in his ability. We're making maps that rain and fast. I listen, you will see. Once we started fucking off, yes, I was smoking pot. Gonna be moving hard, but all the dog gonna make you fucking wash. That time we'd only tap the cooler, it was blue.
Yeah.
Check it out now, it's back at the volume. This one's going up to you. I'm taking fucking mama, even smoking coke. Pull it into the bucky pocket just to have a choke. As the only drug was left, came on and tell us fucking day. We've got that voice inside my head, it's whispering to me. Mama, menacing, mama, menacing. We're intuition, my other personality.
Now that it's a weekend, I just wanna feel like buzz. But I don't want no plus age, cause music is my drug. I want a few ecstasy, it saves me from reality. As the vocals drop, everyone stops together as one harmony. I wanna feel the heat, as a beat for the beats up through my feet and a beat. Till I get what I need from the music, frequencies and music is the master. My body is a vessel, connect to a sort of paradise to the set side of the spectrum. Party can we rockin', now here we go again. You dance on rockin', the dance on jumpin'. To the beat, the rhythm side of the vibe. Your T, you, double T-Y.
I said to ride for the crew, your bass are coming in. Any empty tutties on the mic just for this bouncy session. As I catch up bass, I want some melodies behind.
Yo.
Body to fucking beats, I'm matching perfectly in time. I put them both together, sounding like a symphony. We're listening to them mocking music, watch it piece of free. The roots are flowing through my vein, show you that you'll never change. Respect to the raven, I'm respecting my raving
Yo,
game.
Mr. Glossy Party Crew, it's time to focus. This ashes looking magic, we don't need no hocus pocus. I don't need no magic wand, I'm no magician, but I've got a unique style that'll make you stand and listen. These lyrics are original, they're on my own. The copy kid is screaming, nobody on this microphone. She's got too many MCs, or say the simple shit. So get your own rise and style and do your fucking rip.
I'll take the original sound. Loony D MC Tutty Washington style, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, tune into your ecstasy.
Tune into the flow. Let's go. Okay. You MLT's a DJ.
I'll take my DJ, MC. Came on, it's time to dance with me. DJ, MC. We got the DJ MLT.
Determination is key. Fulfill your rave and fantasy. Whether you're an AD of an MC, you wanna be the best that can ever be. You're never gonna stop till you're at the top. Making us ravers dance if I keep practicing every day. Whenever the session on the way, this lyric's rolling off my tongue. When's it gonna end? This never is the answer gonna drive you on the
Yes,
bed. Now I'm standing here, making my hand. Rave for the dance floor. Your wish is my command.
Outside the ravers, once you're standing in the property, working up the TEX and DJ RVT. All the bass and all the pressure, keep it up to the dance wherever you can knock it, you can stop and watch a part of it.
Let's go.
See, that's not what he was. Too many Rogers spitting boss. That they made the claim of fame returning, but they tame again. Metal raps that make no sense. Mumble jump a ladder's best. Pass a mic, now step aside. MC Tutty, time to fly.
You're flying. We're taking you high then. Who's ready for the mix? Get the rock on time, let it be like this.
Dance, gonna move to the beat, yes, but I'm pushing through your feet. I'm on a laptop, flashy, that's I get you into the mirror. When I'm in the mood, to get you in the groove.
Yeah.
That Tutty, sniffy lyrics, sounding kinda smooth. Once you're sounding kinda speak respect, we're sounding kinda belter. The Loony D came on, we're running hell skelter.
Yes, man.
We're on the roller coaster, hitting 160. MC Tutty's on the mic, we're sounding dodgy mixing.
Doctor, I need a new prescription. No matter what I do, I just can't beat this rave addiction. Don't matter whether it's morning, don't matter whether it's night. I need my fucking rave fixes taking on my line. You'll find me on this dance floor, with any northeast rave.
Come on.
I'm taking a fest, I like big tight, I'm a rave.
It's Loony D.
I'm carboning, harmonic, see the mic, I've got to have it. My time is just for fun, it's now my daily habit. Yes, then.
The DJ MLT is on the machine.
Here my double is how you win. You'll be get your dancing.
We're on a mission, on a session, just to keep our body wishing for the best MCs run about now with the Loony D. Taking over once again. MLT, I said, watch you rushing.
The most ordinary sights and sounds.
Hot at the DJ, 20 DJ invasion.
The texture of
Yes,
shadows
man.
on the floor.
Hot at the MC fucking
All these
Kinson.
things without being named.
You MC
and
Banks.
saying, that's a shadow. That's red. That's brown. That's somebody's foot.
It's time to
when you
dance.
don't name things any longer, you stop
I'll take the
seeing.
bus and MC.
Because say
MC
when a person
Whiplash.
says, I
know
see a leaf,
sometimes you feel it kind of
Immediately
down.
one
Cause you
thinks
don't want
of a
anybody hanging
spearhead
around you
shaped
when I'm sitting
outlined
in
in
your
black
room.
and filled
You're
in
all
with
alone.
Ready.
You're making new lyrics on the mic before I'm saying nothing. So by this time,
No
you
leaves.
should be feeling
Leaves are
better.
not
You
green.
hit these vibes kicking, you can feel
That's
the
why
pressure.
Alfred said,
But the space
the five
perfect.
colours
Do
make
not
a man
forget.
blind.
These are the wicked
Five
MC's gonna
colours
party
make a
to
man
the death.
I'm on a chip, the man in PET was looking kinda weird with that tablet in his hand. different and now ecstasy, now water drop. Gonna get you up and knock the neck, image in neck. If you get spit a bit of bad ones, come not through, yeah, coming out back now, Loony D with a bass attack. Beats on top, with the beats on vibe. I'm coming alive with a multi session, minimum moving on a mission. Empty Tutty, keep your fucking wish.
Yeah, tip of it, iceberg. I'm just breaking the surface. Need to find myself purpose before I find myself surplus to requirements and taking early retirement. Why I'm constantly adapting to surrounding environments. My mind is so twisted that my thoughts are encrypted. To find all the answers, I think I'm bigger than missing to help this misfit. And they say that I'm gifted, cause I've got more ideas and they've got tools I could fit. I make them fit quick. You set the bar, I lift it. They think they're trying to say the ship and sell it, I missed it. Well, kiss this. I'll swim the ocean, that's the difference. To get where I want to be with God as my witness.
God is the witness. Hold tight the party crew, keep not the sound like this. I'm doing the business.
Inhale the positive, exhale the negative. Get on the dance, so show me what you got to give. Inhale the positive, exhale the negative. Get on the dance, so show me what you got to give.
I'm rocking up the microphone, yes, keeping up with the masses on. With the tap, my fast, now piecing out that we keep mixing bigs and crap. You just standing over there, place to be.
You're big.
Loony D, sing kind along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. MIC, my lethal weapon. Can you read the fucking mic? Gonna rush on my Loony D in empty Tutty, rushing to the beat. Wanna fucking come along and dance with fucking me.
I'm a lunatic by
Because if you
name,
can only see 5 colors, you're
but
blind.
lunatic by nature,
If you can only hear 5
nature.
tones in music, you're deaf.
Tutty lose his fucking voice in a mind.
I'm a lunatic by name, I'm a lunatic by nature. Don't fuck with me, I'll get in my way up, I'll exterminate ya. I'm not taking no more prisoners, smashing through this life. There's something out the years, I'm getting nowhere being nice. Shame life, change me. Catch me outside a fucking party, man. You know what's coming.
Loony D, come on in.
Blow the world.
Oi, oi.
Shame life, change me, you know who I am today.
Shut it.
I was a hard-faced couple, life may be this way. It's time that people notice. It took a half step back, throw up the mouse without even on the track. So go on, meant to be spread rumors if you dare. I'm a Kruger, look like a fairy tales. I drag you off to hell. You'll be wishing you could turn my time right amongst me. Your coolers, you take the light, that's all I'll ever see. I'm not making no exceptions. You haven't met your maker yet. Don't mean that I'm forgetting. Keep pushing. You must really think I'm daft, but it's me who's got the smile on my face, having the last laugh.
Stop. Sin as a robbery. There's no reflection in that mirror that can follow me. Then that distracts a part and bossing in your fucking game. You're spelling out the rubber. Jordan Tutty, what's Neymar?
T-U.
No, T. You to the double T-Y. Loony D in the empty Tutty. Whatever the bad boy taking a ride.
You listen. In the realization, yo. Pop on the beat, we pop on the test.
Once we got the beat, we got the chronic. Like this beat, yeah, supersonic. Faster, we deliver. Gonna make me pull the trigger till you rip your fucking tap. Once we got your fucking fat, I'll pick you up one by one. Come on, stop. In his jail, I wanna treat him. There's an army you can beat with signing up. The stewards member, English and one for now. We read our party, mass respect to Western lad. What's his name? Fucking Tucker. You little nutter.
Party crew, we rockin', now here we go again. You dance on, rockin', the dance on, jumping. To the beat that we rock, sign of the vibe. You're out, you don't belong in NY soul. And now you're tuned into my flow. Get a rock, kick, jump, shake. That's what you think is to be your lucky fucking great.
DJ Amity. Come on, you're mixing in your ecstasy. The Amity, M-A-S-S-I-V-E. Respect for the MC Tutty.
Respect. You can turn off the music, turn on the lights, but we don't give a fuck, we're raving all night. You can turn off the music, turn on the lights, but we don't give a fuck, we're raving all night, bro.
Yes, sir.
Who fucking wants it, man? Tutty, let's go.
Paranoia in my sleeve, getting things out you can see. People come from different angles, holy shit, my head is mangled. What is different, that's a reality. Once it's only presence by myself, it's all the personality. Gonna keep me in check, cause that is step by fucking step. You planted the seed, now paranoia's what you get. No memory, not just that mystery. You're painting pictures of the enemies, they're killing me in my sleep.
Turn on the telly, what do I see? A bunch of fucking
on for days and fucking days and days.
I'm like in bed, it's Sunday night, don't think I'm gonna make it. Before sunrise and break it dawn, I'm thinking I might flake it. This sweat is forming on my brow, twitching at the toe. I've had this combo with myself till the weekend's in a row. So who knows one day down the line, I listen to the voices. Retake my position, walk the floor, make some better choices. Now I've got the lad, who the fuck am I kidding? When I wake up in the morning, he says countdown is beginning, so
I'm now checking out the sound. The Loony D in the empty top, it's up and around. You're checking out the sound, you're checking out the beat. And you say you're dirty, Bob and Matt, the D to the A to the N-C-E.
yeah.
Come on, it's time to dance with me, Loony D, empty time, talk to ya.
They want this shade. You're a solid 2, your girl's an 8.
Shout out to Carly Farrell and Natalie Glenn out there from the South Shields posse.
Yo, Tutty. Yo, sitting in a courtroom with Judge said to me,
Jordan fucking Tutty, you ain't getting off like
Yeah.
it's casting, acting, whichever you wanna go. It doesn't really bother me, we've done it all before. So
yeah,
Loony D.
man.
No, Loony D. Time to dance with
So,
me.
let's get one thing straight. Give us all a 2, your girl's an 8. Like them 10, there's nothing to do with all the talk she takes. She gets so shy from 9 to 5. Once I comes in, if inside, I wonder how long she hangs around. What's the clash subsides? Take off your tip the specs. She's no different from the rest. You're the wrong one, why for the prize, at least they can't get debt. You think we're so hardly. Your girl's part the party. It's clean as 10, you still can't see your girls along with the Charlie.
The combination, drugs and music, give me one night, stop to you can cheat me, think you're part of it. Body chain, I spin my real dance, I'll cream my team, my mate. Chasing buses on the shape. Every week I do it again with pissed off. Adrenaline, Nicky King, you know the score. Come now, song, they want you more. I'm a jet, I'm the best, come now, song, they running me shit. I'm on the map, it's plenty weapons, fucking stuff. Legendary, I don't you try any empty Tutty, come alive.
Take a real talk. Can you hear that clock tick tock? The countdown's on, my time is now to shop with the cream of the crop. It's time to nail my performance. Don't look at me, you're dormant. Patiently wait for my chance to look and land and see no warnings. Believe me, I'm not interested in what the rest of says. One like, and I say it how it is, and that's what skill I'm blessed with. There one speak common sense. Be so fuck as a consequence. Fuck that shit, be true to yourself, the man in the moon I represent.
Yes, sir. Beat on matching, go and I car. Let it be turn matching on the floor. Amateur with the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Plan attack from a lyrical terrorist. But are you ready with insult venomous? Are you ready with this? It's about to know who the fuck you're messing with. Every day I witness this lying shady business. All my Peter Wally takes to occupy my hit list. You occupy my hit list. DJ MOT, Loony D and the MC Tutty style.
I'll take the party posse picking up the ecstasy out there. Loony D and the MC Tutty bounty style. DJ MOT.
Your DJ MOT. Come on. Energy. Are you ready? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. We pump up the techno.
Loony D. MOT.
Wired to the moon crew. Wired to the moon crew. Wired to the moon crew. Set me off with the firework. Work it, press stop, boom.
Hard touching now is getting stoned, but I'm sitting with this smashing man, you sort of fucking know. He's whispering to me, come on, he said his name was Stash. And do you want it fucking gushing off this wicked crack?
Yeah.
Now from the planet he was sent, this formula was fucking red. Respecting the mashing man's in empty stashes off his head. Respecting Stash, got sitting in the back. The UFO came on, he started smoking crack. And once I pack was passing me, the empty Stash came on, he started got me green. Now listen mate, you fucking crush the massive price, you fucking not to see fucking later. Hope you stay in touch. If before I've even getting home, the UFO came on, he's blowing up this telephone. Listen mate, now that's an offer that you can't refuse. I'm sending you the formula that is wanted on the news. And then I got a text. The empty Stash came on, he's sounding like the chemist. The periodic table, I said what is that to him? I'm teaching things on the time to write with the fooling.
Care where you're from, I don't care where you be. If you love fucking Tutty, man. Respect each and every time.
I take the posse out there. Mass respect to the DJ Hamilton.